Crafting unique furniture and dye projects from scrap iron and used bicycle materials. In this video, we'll explore art of repurposing scrap iron and used bicycle materials to create stunning furniture piece and dye projects from your home. Join us as we delve into a creative process showcasing step by step instructions and tips for transforming discredited items and into functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to your living space. Welcome to our channel. We will create a meet sustainability. Today we are dividing into the world of upcycling by turning scrap iron and used bicycle materials into a beautiful furniture and dye projects from your home. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase innovative ways to give a new life of old items. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Exploring iron furniture. Let's start by exploring the potential of scrap iron for crafting unique furniture piece. From chairs and tables to shelves and decorative accents, scrap iron offers endless possibility. We will discuss the types of scrap iron available, sourcing of options and essentials used to techniques of cutting, welding and casting these pieces. Transforming used bicycle materials. Next, we will shift our focus to used bicycle materials and how they can be repurposed for dye projects. So, thank you for joining us on this creative adventure. Well, we hope you feel inspired. You make your own scrap furniture and dye projects using used bicycle materials. Remember, with a little imagination and ingenuity, you can turn and trash into it, make possible positive impact on environment. Stay tuned for more eco-friendly. Some thumb the video, like the video, and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.